Good morning, Dowell Owls. We are ready to learn and be the best that we can be. Today is Monday, December the 7th. Please rise, put your right hand over your heart, and join us in the pledges.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
As a student of Dowell School, today I will do my best to set a foundation and be a success. Be courteous to others and respectful at all times to reach my potential. The responsibility is mine. The road is set. It starts with me. One day I'll graduate from a university.
Thank you, Owls. I hope everybody had a great weekend and is ready to have a great week this week. We have a big celebration on Friday. It's our PBIS celebration, so we will soon find out who's going to be able to participate in this great and fun activity. I want to wish a very happy birthday to those owls celebrating their birthday this week. On the 8th, we have Angelique Aguilar Jaramillo in 3rd grade. On December 10th, we have Jeremiah Acevedo in 5th grade and Aiden Peña in kinder. On the 11th, we have Steven Casas in 4th grade. And on the 12th, we have Zoe Cimental in pre-K. Happy birthday, Owls. I also want to congratulate our classes that continue to have 100% attendance. So our 3 regular classes still are winning with perfect attendance. And that is our LSU Tigers to D, Miss Daniel's class. We also have our 5B Kansas University Miss G's class and our 1A Mrs. Torres class. Congratulations, you all still have perfect attendance. And great news, we have 2 classes that joined them with perfect attendance for this past week. KA Mrs. Morales class, great job, kinder. And 3B, Mrs. Thompson's class. So those 2 classes join our 100% attendance club. Great job. Remember, students, that it's very, very important that you log in each and every day and that you complete your assignments in order for you to be able to have perfect attendance. We will soon be having our perfect attendance celebration, so I hope that many of you are able to be part of it. We now have Mrs. Flores and Mrs. Veyu with their announcements.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to another week of school. This week, on Friday, December the 10th, we will be having our November-December PBIS celebration. So stay tuned to see how you could be a part of it. What you see here is a Dowell PBIS Virtual Monthly Celebrations rubric. This is a sheet that is given to each and every teacher at Dowell. Each teacher fills out all of their students' names, and they make sure that their students have followed their PBIS core values. For the first area, in behavior, students must meet all of the behavior areas both in the classroom and during PE. What is it exactly that teachers look for? Well, we have to make sure that our camera is on when our teacher expects it to be on, that we are in our groups and that we are working, that we log in on time and are ready to learn at all times. For the other areas and the other requirements, your teacher looks at attendance, and here you must have 1 or less excused absences or tardies. She or he also looks at the classwork. You cannot be missing any assignments. And finally, we look at effort. How much effort or just how well you are trying on all of your classwork. Are you being responsible and are you doing your best? So this is an example of what your teachers are looking for. I hope to see everybody there on Friday. Have a wonderful, wonderful week.
Good morning, boys and girls. This week we will be discussing social awareness. Social awareness is the ability to understand another person's perspective and be able to empathize with them, especially those of a different culture and background from ours. One way to broaden your social awareness is donate to a local food bank, maybe, or to your church. One awesome thing we can do, especially at this time, is leave out treats such as Gatorade, chips, and cookies for your mailman, the UPS, or Federal Express gentlemen. They would really appreciate this kind gesture. I hope to see you soon. Have a good week. And again, I will see you next week. Bye-bye, boys and girls.
Thank you, Mrs. Flores and Mrs. Bello. We have 2 weeks of instructions before it's our winter break. Remember that we still have lots to do. 3rd, 4th, and 5th, you will soon be taking your first practice star. So I hope that you try your best, that you take your time, that you read carefully, and that you do everything that your teachers have taught you up until now. We want to see how well you would do because next semester we're going to have the real test. So I know you're going to do great. 5th graders, remember that you all are the example for the school. So please remember to be responsible, always log on into class, have your camera on, and this goes for all students, but especially 5th grade because they're the example. And also turn in all assignments. Okay, Owls, this concludes our announcements for this week. Remember our core values. Be positive, be respectful, be responsible, and be safe. Have an extraordinary week, Owls. We'll see you soon.